Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NORMILIO token. Now this is a fairly new base token on the BASECHAIN. This is of course a meme coin. And yeah, their Twitter, I'm going to put up right on the screen right here at NORMILIO Base. Just joined March 2024 on Twitter. That's how brand new this project is. We're going to go over the information on this token, and we're going to go over their audits, if we could find any, and any security issues, any warning signs that may be in the contract here that this token could potentially be a scam. We're going to go over all that info in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says a completely NORMILIO coin on base. Nothing redacted about us whatsoever. Join, and then it has the Telegram link as well. You can follow their Telegram at NORMILIO Base on Telegram, and they have 779 members. 244 of them are online. And there's also a link to their webpage, normilio.com. And their contract address. So basically all the info is on this Twitter here, all the links anyways. And they have their pinned tweet here from March 21st, and it says, "Hi everyone, my contract is now live. Want to join my cryptocurrency team on the Base blockchain? NORMILIO, I really love Base blockchain." And then it has a contract address, and of course their Twitter is filled with memes, because this is very much a meme coin. Now, if you go to their webpage, they have all their socials there. It says, the normalist coin on base, completely normal, nothing odd or redacted about us whatsoever. So this is kind of like the very popular Normie token is on BASECHAIN. And so this is kind of a play off of that NORMILIO. They've had some other tokens that are kind of like, normie type names as well. So, yeah, that's just a very popular token. So they have the NORMILIOnomics. It says here there is a total supply of 1 billion coins. And it says no funny business. There's a UNISWAP exchange embedded right on their webpage. And then they have a DEX tools chart at the very bottom of their webpage as well. So you can find this token on BaseScan, you can find them on DEX Tools, and you can find them on DEX Screener as well if you want to check out the chart there. And so in the past 24 hours, this token's actually up 149% as of recording this video anyways. And they have a market cap of $11.18 million. So, very well-established project here. We are going to go over here their quick audit in a second. But keep in mind, as I went through their webpage there, I did not see a full audit. So, first of all, they don't have a full audit, so that's not great. And I do not see a KYC, so they don't tell you who the team members are. There's no KYC or doxing or anything like that, so just be aware of all that. Now, their base scan says they have 1,661 holders right now. They've had 18,000 transactions, and they have 18 decimal places on this token. And yeah, total supply 1 billion tokens here. So their pool was created, let's see here. Pool was created a little bit over 4 days ago on Uniswap. So this is a fairly new token. And they have here liquidity in Uniswap, $863,000. So price of this token right now is about 1.1 cents per token. And if we look at DEX tools here, they have a trading volume today of over $4 million. They have 69.53 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 51.75 million NORMILIO tokens. I keep wanting to say Normie every time I look at it. Now they have a DEX score of 71 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 85.7% out of 7 votes. And then they have some audits here. So on DEX tools, you could find a quick audit from Token Sniffer, Go Plus, and Quick Intel Security. So those are the 3 audits that they have there. Keep in mind, though, they're just quick audits. They are not full audits, and you should always look out for full audits. So it says contract is verified. No honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, transfers are not possible, no blacklisting, so all good so far. You cannot retrieve ownership, cannot modify balance, no hidden owners, no self-destruct, no external call risk, no, all the way down, all sorts of good stuff. For some reason, Quick Intel says, yes, there is whitelisting, but it's not a hard warning. It's just a mild one. And then Token Sniffer and Go Plus says there is no whitelisting, so it's kind of conflicting there. Now, also, here's another conflict here. So there's a big warning on Go Plus Security says anti-whale. There's a warning on that, but then Quick Intel says no. And then besides that, the only other warning is it says other risks. So I'm going to put those warnings up there. One of them's conflicting, and then one of them's vague. It just says other risks. So, again, keep in mind, there's just a quick audit. If they get a more extensive audit, which they should do as a token if they want to show everybody that they are secure, they should get a full audit, show that to people, and then hopefully, like that in turn, helps people make more informed decisions regarding this project. But basically, right now, not much security on this token. And there's just a couple, there's not crazy warnings on there. There's just 2 small ones. But even then, it's not 100% on their quick audit. So keep that in mind. And now, I wouldn't say this is for sure a scam or anything like that. But there is, a couple security warnings that you should be aware of before investing. So thoroughly do your own research on this token. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.